No need to by heart. How we arrive for the squares we'll learn in this video. Easy way to remember squares of numbers 11 to 20. Enjoy Mathematics channel. Please subscribe this. Step 1. Multiply one's digit number with the same number and write in ones place. For example, 11 we have to square. Okay, 11 in 11, what is a ones digits place value? It's 1. So 1 we will multiply and write in ones place value, and then we'll add the same 1 plus 1 and write in the tens place value, and for the hundreds place value we'll take the tens place value. What number needs to be squared? 11 needs to be squared. So 11, what is the tens place value is 1. So that 1 in square is always 1. So we'll write in the hundreds place. So you may ask me for other things. When we add, when it comes for carryover, yes, we do the same like the addition carryover of numbers. So 11 square is equal to, you see in this, 11 square is equal to 1 square I have written in the hundreds place, and as I said, in ones place multiplication, and in tens place plus. That's it. What number I'm adding and multiplying? 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So 1, 2, 1 is your answer. Next, 12 square. The same way 1 I am going to write as 1 square in my hundreds place. So my tens place is what? Plus. I have to add this 2, and for my ones place I will multiply. So 2 into 2 is 4, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So my answer is 144. For 13 also it's very simple, no complication. So 3 is in the ones place. I will multiply 3, and I will add 3, and I'll square the 1. That's a simple step. Multiply, add, and square. So from the ones place I'm teaching all. So 3 into 3 is 9, and 3 plus 3 is 6, and 1 square is 1. So 169. For 14 only we have to be a little bit careful. So 14 is 4 square. So ones place where I have 4. So what I'm going to do, 4 into 4, 4 plus 4, and 1 square, the same step. Now 4 4s are 16 I have written. 4 plus 4 is 8. So now what I'm going to do in the 16, I'll write the 6 in the ones place and carry over the 10 1 to the tens place. So 8 plus 1, as usual we do in the addition. So 6 I have written already, brought it down, and 8 plus 1 is 9 I have written, and then the 1 I have written already. Next, 15, the same way, carry over only hereafter will follow. So 5 is in the ones place. So what I'm going to do, multiply 5, add 5, and square the 1 and write. So 25, 5 plus 5 is 10, and 1. So 25 I'm going to write 5, and I'm going to carry over to 10 plus 2. So again here you see 5 I have written, after that 12 is there. So I am going to write the 2 here, and 1 I am going to carry over. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2, 5. Next one, 16. 16 is the same way. Multiply 6, add 6, and sorry, I have not written the square. So 1 square is square. So 6 into 6 is 36. 6 plus 2 is 6 plus 6 is 12. So 6 I have written, this 3 I have written the carry over here. So 12 plus the 3 again 15, 6. So what I have written, 6, 15, and this 1 plus 1 is 2. 256 is my answer. Next, 17 square. 17 square is what? 1 square actually. Yes, 7 into 7, and 7 plus 7. That's it. We have to write the ones place value as multiplication and addition. So 7 7 is 49, and 7 plus 7 is 14. So 9 I have written, 4 I have carried over. So 14 plus 4 is 8. Again I have 1 I have carried over. My answer is 289. Next, 18 square. 1 square, 8 plus 8, and 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64, and 8 plus 8 is 16. So 4 I have written, 6 I have carried over. 16 plus 6 is 22. So this 2 will go over here, and my answer is 324. Okay. Next, 19 square. 19 square also the same thing. 9 into 9 and 9 plus 9. So 81 comes here and 18 comes here. This one square is nothing but 1. So 1 I have written, 8 I have carried over. This is 26. So 6 I have written here. 1 already is there. I brought it down. And 2 when it goes 361. The next one is also very simple. 0 is in the ones place. So anything into 0 is 0. Anything plus 0 is 0 plus 0 is 0. So the tens place what number I have here? So 2. Where only I have to be a little bit careful. So 2 square is what? 4. So my answer is 4, and I hope this is very easy for you all to remember how we arrive for the squares of the numbers from 11 to 20. In the next thing, I will teach you all the squares from 21. Thank you.